In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear up space on your PC. First thing you want to do is obviously clear out your recycle bin. Go to the top left, right click on it, click on empty recycle bin, and click yes. Now we're going to go down to the Windows icon, right click on it, click on run, and type in prefetch. Click on OK. And here you have all the unused files that you can delete without any problems. Simply click on one, click on Control A to select all of them, and then Control D to delete them. If this pops up, make sure to check do this for all current items and click on skip. Some files can be deleted because they're still running in the background. Close it down. Now again, go down to the Windows icon, right click on it, press run, and type in temp. Click on OK. And here you have all the temporary files that you have unused. You can also delete this without any problem. Again, click on one, press Control A, and then Control D. Again, check this, skip, and close it down. And yet again, we're going to go down to the Windows icon, right click on it, run, and now we're going to type in %, temp, %. Okay. These are again temporary files. Click on one, Control A, and then Control D. Again, check all of these, click on skip. Again, skip. Again, skip. And close it down. Now we're going to go down to the search bar and type in cleanup. Click on this cleanup. Select the drive you want to be cleaned and click OK. Here select all of these boxes and click on clean up system files. Again, click OK. Again, make sure the right drive is selected. Click OK and just wait for it to clean. Once this window pops up, check all of these boxes again and click OK. Click on delete files. Now once that's done, you have successfully cleaned your PC of all its junk. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.